Yeah, good day. This is Chibuzagoa, and in this video, personally, I will be showing you how to unlink your Facebook page from your Instagram account in 2020. Yes, other methods might be outdated, but I would like to show you the current method of which you can use and follow to achieve that. Well, this happened to me some few days back, and that's the more reason why I said let me show this video for many people that are in such shoes and wants to get out of it. And before we proceed, I would like you to hit the subscribe button and also the bell notification so that you'll be the first to receive similar videos just like this whenever I upload them on YouTube, on this YouTube channel. And like here on the Blogging for Tech channel, basically we'll cover tutorials on the tech world, yes, ranging from laptops, phones, and all gadgets. Yes, how-tos and maybe general information that are trending. So kindly hit the subscribe button and also the bell notification to get more videos just like this. So now let's go. How to unlink your Facebook page from your Instagram account in 2020. Well, this happened to me last week. Actually, you can create a post on Instagram and automatically share it on your Facebook page. That is your business page or your company page, or on your timeline on Facebook. Actually, I did a promotional post of which I wanted to share from Instagram to my page. Then I linked my page to my Facebook account. And then some few days back, I just posted some casual posts, and I thought that maybe it will appear back on my Facebook timeline. That is my normal timeline on Facebook, but peradventure or eventually it appeared on my Facebook page, and that was kind of gross. So now I will show you how you can unlink your Facebook page from your Instagram account in 2020. So without wasting much of your time, let's go. So now the first thing you do, this is my Instagram app already. I already opened it before I started the video. So now the next thing you do, you move to the bottom right hand corner of which you find your profile image. That is your Instagram image. You tap on it. Now you've gone to your main Instagram profile. So now the next thing you're gonna do is at the top hand corner, right corner, yes, you see the button, then you tap on it. Then also you now move down to where settings. You scroll. These are other links on navigations where you can enter, do one or two things. But now let's move towards settings. Now in your settings, you can see there are also many options, starting from your invite friend notification, creator, privacy, and all that. So where we are looking at, we head to where accounts. Now in your account, you also see other navigational tabs. Now what actually we're looking for in this section is where your link accounts. As you can see, I've linked my normal Facebook profile and also my Twitter account. So before that, you'll see that maybe peradventure you link your Facebook page with your Instagram account. All you have to do, or what you will see here, this is Chibuzagwa, this is my name actually, and this is my Facebook profile. So, but what you see actually is that your Facebook page. So, and the next thing you just to do to unlink it is to just tap on it. Actually, I don't want to tap on this because I corrected it before shooting this video. So you just tap on it and means you've unlinked it, and that is that. As simple as that, without wasting much of your time. You see that you've unlinked your Facebook page to from your Instagram account. You could see how easy it is. So now if you want to link it back, you still go back to the account and link either your profile or any of your pages, because on my Facebook account I have so many pages that are underneath. I created under that very account, so I can easily choose which of the page I want to link and unlink with. Once I move to the procedures that I show the account, then link the account, you can see how easy it is to do that in 2020. Yes, and that's if you're using the updated version of Instagram and Facebook app. So you can see how easy it is. So go ahead and try it out. You can unlink your Facebook page from your Instagram account and you're good to go. So with that, we've come to the end of this video. And like I said, before you leave, kindly hit the subscribe button and also the bell notification so that you get notified whenever I release similar video just like this. So Chibuza remains the name and Blogging for Tech is the channel. We'll see you in the next video. Bye bye.